To create a service account, head over to console.cloud.google.com. In the drop-down, make sure you have selected the proper project ID. If you're from the Dialogflow series which I made earlier, you can find your project ID in your Dialogflow console by clicking on the gear icon and look for the project ID in the General tab. Now, to find your service account, go to the navigation bar, select IAM and admin, and click on the service accounts. You will see a list of service accounts. If you are looking for the service account related to your Dialogflow agent, look for the Dialogflow integrations under the name. Click on the service account and select the keys tab. You will see the list of keys associated with that particular service account. To create a new key, click on Add Key and select Create New Key. Set the key type as JSON and click on Create. Save the new JSON file somewhere safe in your system. If you couldn't find a related service account, you need to create a new service account. To do that, click on Create New Service Account. Give your service account a name and the service account ID will be auto-generated. Click on Create and under Roles, select Basic and select Owner Role. For Dialogflow, these service accounts are auto-generated once you create a new agent. Before you leave, hit that like button if this video was helpful to you. Thank you guys.